Now in electrophoresis, what do we have? We have in this U-shaped tube. In this there is an electrode made up of platinum and we have just attached to the cell, right. So what is there? We have just put the colloidal solution here. As we know that colloidal solutions are charged always. Colloidal solutions are, or you can say colloidal particles or the colloidal solutions, they are actually charged. And from where this charge has come, they have just absorbed the particles of the electrolyte. That means the charge is being absorbed on the surface. Suppose if I say this is my colloidal particle, so suppose it has this positive charge absorbed on its surface. So likewise it is present here. So what happens when these kind of particles, they are subjected to the electric field. So what happens, the particles, suppose I say that suppose this is my positive particle. So what happens, this colloidal particles move towards the oppositely charged electrode. That the positive one will move to the negative and the negative will move to the positive. And in doing so what happens actually, suppose this is my particle with the charge, right, it has a lot of positive charge. So it just moves towards it. So what happens, it reaches here, and when it reaches here, its charge is being neutralized by the negative electrode, and now it becomes charge free. So like whenever you want to know that whether the colloidal particle is charged or not, we can use this technique, because by using this technique what we get to do, we get to neutralize the charge, and as a result what do we get? We get the colloidal particle without charge sticking to the platinum electrode. So this is what is the electrophoresis.